You've definitely bit off a lot that you've got to chew here. Like just walking up the, if you call it a driveway, the side there was pretty much hands and feet.
Yeah.
How's this Renault going?
Helps to be a mountain goat, that's for sure, mate.
We're gonna have good calves after this, that's for sure.
You look at that side fence there, you'd have to say it's about a 30-degree angle.
Pretty
It's hectic.
close. Yeah.
But we are standing on quite a large pad here. Behind us we've got VersaWall, behind you guys we've got VersaWall. You can work with level changes when you've got such an easy product to go with. How's it been to work with, and what's it enabled you to do?
Well, these have been the first block walls that we've ever done.
Anyone can do it, they're so easy. I love that you don't have to use the mortar in between. Once you get your base one done, then you can stack them, make sure they're level.
Yep.
Because get that right, and then you can't go wrong.
Yeah, so if you can get that right, it's just easy. It's just a matter of stacking them up, core filled, so easy.
And just corners and halves and all that, you can order all of them, so you don't need to get a brick saw involved,
No.
you don't have to make the mess and the noise.
Yep, the little half blocks to
Yeah.
finish it off, it's perfect.
Yeah.
Well, the truth is, if you used a normal block and got someone, a bricklayer to come in and lay it, they would cost roughly in labour the same price as the block that they were laying.
Well, we originally were going to get a block layer to do this because we thought it was, you know, out of our scope. But we decided to do a wall down the front with these blocks, and when we saw how easy it was, I said to Jesse, we're not paying someone to do this. We can do this, we'll do it ourselves. Yeah, you don't get guns like this.
It's free gym.
You don't get apples like that, picking cherries.